Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So in the last video we learned how to create a page. Now I'm going to show you how you can create all the pages for your restaurant. Maybe you have planned to make a web page for your restaurant, and maybe your restaurant name is Fine Dine, and it has food menu, drinks, bookings, private events, contacts, chef's details, recommendation, where you have already participated in, and maybe it has a blog as well. So I'm going to create all the pages because it's gonna be a series, so we're going to use this page later on. And we go directly here and I start making add new. So the first one, I'm going to make food menu. So, and you can see that the slug is already being created. So food menu, and here the page name is also food menu. And I publish it. And again, I publish. And if I go in the dashboard, and if I go in all pages and just look in your F section, you can see it's created food menu. So the rest of the pages I'm going to create as well, because your restaurant will have food menu, the main menu, and also maybe for the drinks, and you'd like people to give an option for booking. So I'm going here again, and here you can see add new, press there and make a page for drinks. It can be soft drinks and also can be hard drinks. And immediately always look here that your URL slug in the same name, it has been created. So publish it, and this page is already published as well. You don't have to check there. You can see on your right side there is the page drinks is now live. The first page food menu and the second one drinks is live now. We go back again and we add another one and we add booking. So this page will have all the details about your booking. Publish it and then go back again, and you can see that booking is live now. Go back again and add another one. This one, make the name as private events. So here people will know what kind of private events they can come for in the restaurant, and all the details about how many days before they have to book and for how many persons they need to book. All the information will be given in here, and you publish it here as well. You can see that it's live again. We go back and we create a page where people will be able to contact with you. So I create the contact page again. I publish it, and now you will need one page for chef's description. If you have any Michelin chef, or if you have many chefs that are very much good at what they're doing. So chef description. So instead of going for description, I would like to keep it as chefs. So people, if they would like to know who is making their food, so if they see that you have really famous one, maybe your sale will increase, or it will go through the roof. And also recommendation, you would like one page as recommendation where you're going to like how many stars you got, how many recommendations you get, what people thinks about your food. So this page is going to be about recommendations, and you publish it. And also just always have a look that is it live. When you see that it is live, you can actually see it in your website. Participation, maybe you participate in different kind of festival across the planet or within the country. You can write that as well. Participation. And here you can describe how many events you participated in, and all kind of things about your engagement with different food festival. And the last but not the least, every web page should have a blog, even though you might think that, well, if it's about restaurant, what kind of blog there could be? Well, you can write about your ingredients, you can write about your your food, how much calories it contains, or also if you have any veggie options or low calorie options, you can also write about that as well. So this can come in blog section, and this is going to be the blog page. So I'm going to publish it. So the targeted pages: food menu, drinks, booking, private events, contact, chefs, recommendation, participations, blog, everything has been created for your web page or website. Now, this is the way you can actually create all the pages. Thank you very much.